Welcome back. NDTV's news break has now been confirmed. Nitish Kumar is set to enter the upper house of parliament, which is the Rajya Sabha. Nitish Kumar has spoken out and said, and I'm going to quote him here, always wanted to be an MP. New government will have my full support. People of Bihar blessed me for over 2 decades. Padmaja Joshi now joining me live from the newsroom. Padmaja, the BJP might finally have its first Chief Minister in Bihar, with Nitish Kumar coming out with that comment, a news break that NDTV had broken much earlier.
Absolutely. In fact, but Vedika, the optics of this entire move are going to be very, very interesting, because remember, this confirmation from Nitish Kumar has come at a time when there are still cadre of the JDU protesting outside his house in Patna, because there is a faction of the JDU which is saying we do not want Nitish Kumar to go to the centre, we want him to continue to run the party and the government in Bihar. And it is perhaps to quell those protests that the wording of Nitish Kumar's tweet, where he himself has given the confirmation, is very, very interesting. What has he said? He has said, संसदीय जीवन शुरू करने के समय से ही मेरे मन में एक इच्छा थी कि मैं बिहार विधान मंडल के दोनों सदनों के साथ संसद के भी दोनों सदनों का सदस्य बनूं. He's already been a member of the लोक सभा. So now he's saying इसी क्रम में इस बार हो रहे चुनाव में राज्यसभा का सदस्य बनना चाह रहा हूं. So essentially what he's saying, it's I who wants to go to the Rajya Sabha. And his final line, very, very interesting, where he says that आप सबसे मिलकर एक विकसित बिहार बनाने का संकल्प पूर्ववत कायम रहेगा. जो नई सरकार बनेगी, there will be a new government in place, उसको मेरा पूरा सहयोग एवं मार्गदर्शन रहेगा. So if you just parse this language, it is so interesting, the fact that he has said मार्गदर्शन रहेगा. I will be guiding a new government that is going to be in place. Now, is this a hint that this new government will be helmed by a new party, that the BJP will get its chief minister? And if yes, then will Nitish Kumar's son Nishant be made deputy chief minister? Because on Holi itself, the JDU had confirmed that he is going to be entering active politics. Nitish Kumar in the Rajya Sabha, Nishant Kumar to enter active politics. Who will be the chief minister? Will it be somebody from the BJP, or will it be somebody from the JDU? And more importantly, Giriraj Singh has just spoken, Union Minister who also belongs to Bihar. He has just said that Nitish Kumar will get to decide who becomes the next chief minister. So all of this optics, very, very important. But the most crucial thing in all of this is that Nitish Kumar finally confirming, I'm going to the Rajya Sabha, and I'm going because it's my wish that I should now make that transition from the state to the centre.
Padmaja, does this also mean then that this switch is not sudden, it's pre-planned, it's something that was in the making for a couple of months?
Actually, it's interesting you asked that question, Vedika, because ever since the results of the Vidhan Sabha came out on the 14th of November last year to the Bihar Vidhan Sabha, at that time itself, the BJP was the single largest party. So there was a lot of speculation about whether they are going to announce their own chief minister. But in keeping with the respect, before the elections, remember that the BJP senior leaders of the party had said again and again that Nitish Kumar ki adhyakshta mein, Nitish Kumar की leadership में, under the leadership of Nitish Kumar, we are fighting these elections. So, respecting that understanding, he was made chief minister. But given his failing health, given a lot of things that had happened even before the elections, there was an understanding that eventually there would be a transition. And this is something that NDTV had spoken of even before the elections, that there was a very clear understanding within a section of leaders within the JDU and the BJP that yes, out of respect, Nitish Kumar would be made the chief minister, despite the fact that the BJP was the single largest party, despite the fact that there were serious concerns being expressed about his health. But eventually, this transition would take place, and here we are.
Padmaja Joshi, Managing Editor, NDTV 24/7. Thank you for joining me live there on the big story that Padmaja will be covering from 1 o'clock this afternoon.